Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to this JASMY video update. The Dump Forever coin is right here with us at the moment, so Dump Forever baby. And now we're looking for what are we looking forward to? Nothing. This is such an idiot coin that I've ever seen in my whole life, but we're going to talk about it. So at the moment, what I want to say about JASMY is, once again, there's a technical target come to 1819, and by the way, there are 4 days left to close the signals. Those who are asking and they want to join, do come into the Discord and click on the announcement and check out this video on how to join. And backing into the JASMY, we are still not quite good for JASMY. So number one, let's actually extend this upper resistance line right there, and I want to actually extend this lower trend line as well. So from there to there and from here to here, this pattern is known as a pennant, and I do think that it's not a good sign right now, because all you did is making a pennant and an extended one. So move down, move back up, move down, move back up, and move down. And once you break out of that pennant, then we are looking for JASMY to really continue to drop all the way from there to there, and we're looking for a technical target again to 2001994. So it actually takes you close to that final box right there. I might actually extend this box just a little bit up like that. Okay, boom. So once we come down here, that's where the fun might begin, and this is where we might spend a little bit of a time here accumulating and then maybe bottom out there. Maybe it's not a confirmed one unless you don't try to make another continuation patterns to move even lower. So that's pretty much it for this quick update on JASMY. Doesn't really need anything else. Came down, made a bear pennant, moved down lower to that technical target. Now of course, if you do break to the upside, however, before I close the video, then you're going to invalidate the pennant. This is going to be only playable when it breaks down. It hasn't played out just yet. We haven't broken down or up either. We have the time until 1st December. In 4 days that decision is going to come. If you break up, amazing, you're going to move up to 4211. This is the technical target. Break down and that's your technical target, and my favorable scenario still remains to the downside. And that's pretty much it for this update on JASMY. I'm going to see you in the next one at the office.